Welcome to the Grower Coach Garden Show with garden expert Ken Salvail. Email your questions to ken@growercoach.com. Now, here's your garden coach, Ken Salvail.
Hi, this is Ken Salvail from growercoach.com, and we're just looking at some perennial plants here today. And this particular plant is one that can be a little bit weedy, but it is a nice plant, and it does often make a nice cut flower. But this is called the Goosneck Loosestrife. And you can see this whole planting here is actually, might have been a couple of plants, but it's really taking off. And you can see where it gets its name, these little flowers that they'll hang down, they'll actually grow down, and then they'll grow back up again on the end. It's just, that's where they get the name, the gooseneck. But it's a pretty aggressive plant. It spreads around with other plants. So if I plant this in my garden, I would tend to plant it inside of a drum of some sort or some sort of contained area and not let it run around. If it ever does get into a wet or moist area, then watch out, it can really spread. But it is a beautiful plant, and it's worth growing. But again, I treat it almost like a raspberry plant or something that can run around the garden, put it in a contained area. So that's it for today on Gooseneck Loosestrife. Thanks for tuning in.